Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this set. The glitter polygel I'm going to be using is Saviland Diamond Polygel in the color Always Gorgeous. I have actually used the color Diamond Red in a previous video. I'll have that linked in the cards. And then for the rest of my nails, I'm going to be using the color Jelly Red from the cheap Amazon polygel kit that I got. And I'll have that linked in the cards as well, the unboxing. I'm just keeping the clear polygel on hand just in case, because I personally don't like to overuse my colored polygels. If I don't like the shape of my nails, I'd rather just use the clear polygel to reshape my nail. I have some rhinestones just to decorate the nails. I'm also going to be using my Be Glam top coat in cuticle oil. For my slip solution, I'm going to be using rubbing alcohol. I got these files really cheap on Amazon. I'll have a link down in the description box. They're a pack of 10 and they work really nicely. Also, they were really cheap. So I've got my tips lined up here. They're actually C-curved nail tips. So what I'm going to do off camera is glue them on with base coat and then reshape the nails to like a coffin shape. And then I'm also going to apply my base coat all over my tips. This is the finished result. So let's start with the nails. I'm actually so excited because my family were about to move houses and it's going to be a new start. I'm so excited for it. I know a lot of people don't like change. Like it makes them nervous, anxious. But personally, I enjoy change. Like I embrace it because it's like a new beginning. It's like I just get real curious. Like I really embrace like a fresh start. That's how I see it. So I've actually filmed 4 videos. 2 are already uploaded on my YouTube channel in private. The other 2 are still being edited. That's why I'm still doing this voiceover right now, because I want them to be ready so I can give myself a couple weeks off filming so we can move, settle in, and then figure out where I'm going to be filming, stuff like that. So yeah, I just thank God everything's going really smoothly and I have a lot of faith that the new start and the new beginning is going to be real positive, just better than I can ever think. And I'm not going to embrace any thought of like fear or like anxiety or worry, because you know God hasn't given us a spirit of fear, you know, but of power, of love, of sound mind. So I'm excited. So I'm really holding on to that, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future uploads and you don't miss any updates. So I'm just gonna let you all listen to the music, enjoy the nails, and I'll see you towards the end.
I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? Feel the way that I do. It's been a long time now since we've been face to face, and I think it's kind of funny how we ended up in the same place. Cause I've been running around in circles looking for a taste of something different, something I don't wanna waste. I guess the only question that I have today for you is, I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do?
Dreams keep running, hearts keep breaking. I keep writing songs about things that are out of my control, but I pretend they're not, and then wonder why the outcome's not what I planned for. Oh, 'cause lately I tend to answer with maybe, 'cause commitment seems so scary, and I miss just being more. I swear, baby, I'm not the one that's crazy. You say that I'm too picky, but there's too much on my plate. I've never been the one to spend hours together. I love my friends, but I like silence even better. And I love my parents, but I can't keep all my promises. Yeah, maybe I should start thinking less. Live my life how it fits me best. Start up for the ones who cannot comprehend. Maybe I'm not doing well, and maybe it's just not about them. Nah. Oh, 'cause lately I tend to answer with maybe, 'cause commitment seems so scary, and I miss just being more. I swear, baby, I'm not the one that's crazy. You say that I'm too picky, but there's too much on my plate. Here's my promise to myself and whoever is bothered by the fact that I don't know how to say yes or no, that I need control and that I cannot just let it go. So I promise I'll take the pills that you feed me. I promise I'll let go of the parts of myself that I like. I'll be focused and nice, perfect slave to the system we're in.
You could be my honeybee. Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like a Sunday breeze. Singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar, the sweetest part.
I met you when I could've sworn you were the one for me. The things I saw in you became my favorite things to see. Never argued, never fought, never had a second thought. I was blinded by my love, I couldn't see a single flaw. But then it came through, had to try to see a different view. Had to take a look at something new, but that was hard to do. I was only interested in you, I was paralyzed by love, I couldn't move. But now I'm on a new level, winning at the brake pedal. I just made a promise to myself that I won't settle. Yeah, I really love you, gotta move on. Living life well because life ain't long. Yeah.
You could be my honeybee. Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like a Sunday breeze. Singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar, the sweetest part.
Once you got your hands on my heart, felt you sting, now it's ripping me apart. Yeah. Doesn't matter where you are, always out creeping around, raising my alarm. Yeah, girl. So hot, so cold. So baby, tell me when you gonna come home. Yeah, you be on like sunshine, here for the day till the nighttime. Yeah, like what you trying to do to me. Try once or twice, never got it through to me. Yeah, yeah, like truthfully, mean I love you, but I gotta stay true to me. Yeah, yeah, feelings come and they go. Maybe I should let them all flow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe someday I'll know when you gonna be my love.
You could be my honeybee. Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like a Sunday breeze. Singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar. The sweetest part. You could be my honeybee. Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like a Sunday breeze. Singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar. The sweetest part.
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go.
Ooh, it's cinematic in the way we connected. Girl, you're so familiar, I never expected you to be right in my arms. And my favorite part, how you talk in the dark. Oh God, there's
something about the sound of you is stuck in my head. I'm hopelessly romanticizing all that you said. Even though I see that I'm in too deep, I still gotta let you know that I
never wanted anyone more. Falling forwards onto the floor. Feels like I felt this feeling before.
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. 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 This will never go. Yeah, yeah. We can keep on going like we haven't seen the end. And living in a dream, but we're not pretending. I don't wanna wake up. No, I don't want it to stop.
never wanted anyone more. Falling forwards onto the floor. Feels like I felt this feeling before.
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. 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 Yeah, yeah. This will never go wrong. This will never go wrong. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong.
Swear I would watch the Lakers game, even though I don't know basketball from the game we're playing. Yeah, I'm not overcomplicated. You don't have to spin a web with the words you're saying. And if you started feeling down, swear that I would take you higher. Oh, but you give me the runaround. Maybe I'm just getting tired. Oh, I know I'm a good catch. I just got some bad habits. I didn't know the wrong match. Why does it feel right when it isn't? I'm a good catch. Maybe it's just bad falling for you. I know I'm a good catch. I just got some bad habits. I didn't know the wrong match. Why does it feel right when it isn't? I'm a good catch. Maybe it's just bad falling for you. I told myself I wouldn't be here, back in the car on the way to your apartment. I thought by now I'd see it clearer, but what I need isn't the same as what I'm wanting. 'Cause when I'm just got some bad habits, lighting up the wrong match. Why does it feel right when it isn't? I'm a good catch, maybe it's just bad falling for you. I know I'm a good catch, I just got some bad habits, lighting up the wrong match. Why does it feel right when it isn't? I'm a good catch, maybe it's just bad falling for you.
I'm so in love with how the nails turned out. This is my favorite set so far and it was so much fun to do. So let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!